If your vision has been getting blurrier, your eyes feel tired after just a few minutes on a screen, or you've been struggling to see clearly at night, I want to share something that may genuinely help. My name is Susan, and today I'm giving you a real, honest look at VisiumPlus before you decide to buy it. First, something critical: VisiumPlus is only available through its official website. Because of how popular it's become, counterfeit versions have started showing up elsewhere, on Amazon, eBay, and other third-party stores. These fakes won't give you results. The link to the real, official website is in the description below. So what exactly is VisiumPlus? It's a natural vision support supplement made with a carefully selected blend of nutrients that are well known in eye health research. The formula targets some of the most common reasons people lose visual clarity over time: oxidative stress, lack of key micronutrients, and poor circulation to the eyes. Here's what users consistently report after taking VisiumPlus. Vision feels sharper and clearer, including in low light or nighttime conditions. Significant reduction in eye fatigue, especially for people who spend long hours on screens. Colors appear more vivid and surroundings look brighter. Less strain and discomfort at the end of the day. Over time, a feeling that their eyes are protected and supported, not just temporarily relieved. These results are why VisiumPlus has built such a loyal following. It's not a quick fix, it works by giving your eyes the nutritional support they need consistently over time. Using VisiumPlus is simple. Take one capsule in the morning with a glass of water. That's all. Consistency is what makes the difference here. Daily use is essential. Most people start noticing changes around the second month, with the best results showing up after 3 months of regular use. I want to be honest with you, results will vary from person to person. Everyone's body responds differently. What I can tell you is that the people who see the best outcomes are those who take it every single day without skipping. If you take it sporadically, you won't get the full benefit, and that would be a waste. Here's what I really love about VisiumPlus: you can try it for a full 60 days with zero risk. If you don't see any improvement, if you don't feel like it's working for you, you get a complete refund. No hassle, no conditions. That level of confidence from the manufacturer tells you a lot about the product. VisiumPlus is made from natural ingredients and has no reported side effects. It's produced in FDA-registered facilities in the United States, following strict quality standards. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions or take medication, speak with your doctor before starting any new supplement, including this one. If you're ready to give your eyes the support they deserve, click the link in the description to visit the official VisiumPlus website, and make sure you're not buying from any other source. Remember, daily consistency is everything with this product. I hope VisiumPlus helps you see the world more clearly, just like it has for thousands of others.